Greetings, Performance Reviews, where I give you the review from the technician's point of view. And today I have a Miele TurboTeQ STB 305-3. And that mouthful means that this is the latest version of their turbo tool for doing area rugs and extremely low pile carpet like you see on this bench here. It's not meant to do thick wall-to-wall carpet. With that being said, let me show you what's in the box and then we'll put it on the end of a Miele vacuum and get to town. The other thing you should note is this does not work with their cordless vacuum cleaners. This is only for corded Mieles. In the box, we have the tool and the manual. The manual is pretty thick. It gives some suggestions, operating guide in just about every language fathomable. Miele's contact information is right there. The actual brush itself is made in Germany. It's marked STB 305. The -3 indicates the parking system. So this is for newer machines. If your machine is older, 15, 20 years, this parking bracket might not park on the side quite right. The other thing, under the Miele logo, there is a clean-out door. So if something were to get stuck in the turbine, get it clear and take care of it at home. Now, turbo tools do need to have the hair cut off a little bit more than an electric brush. They really rely on this brush being cleaned to work properly. They also do need to be cleaned and lubricated occasionally. So if you get one of these and it stops working, yes, you can replace it, but you can also just bring it to your local dealer and they can do a service on this and get it back up and running. Now, inside, notice there's a clear window, and then there is a knob. And what this knob does is it lets a little bit more air in, which allows the turbo to spin faster. So, really nice. And then there's a button lock right here. The neck on this swivels very nicely, and you can also swivel it on the side and it will lay flat to get under furniture. Now, if you are going to use this on a really low pile carpet, you definitely want to turn the knob so the Miele logo is upside down. Let it spin up. If your carpet is like that, this is not meant for you. This is meant for area rugs and extremely low pile commercial style carpet. Turning this knob allows it to push a little easier if it's harder to push. You can open this up, you can leave it halfway if you need. This allows more air to flow in, therefore the brush will turn a little bit faster. It also makes less suction going to the floor, which allows this to push a little easier. However, if you have thicker wall-to-wall carpet, any thicker than what you see here, do not expect this to work. Now, even though this is based on the 286, it is not interchangeable with the 286 as far as using on the end of a Miele. Miele uses their own button lock that's proprietary and does not fit on the end of a 286. Also, the 286 does not come with the parking position that the Miele comes with. So I believe that should explain why there's a little bit of a price difference between them and why, if you have a Miele, you want to go with the Miele version. The Miele STB 305 is right at home on area rugs. And if you have a lot of area rugs, Persian rugs, low pile commercial carpet, this is what you want to get. If you have one of these, I'd love to hear from you. Comment below. Also check out the description. There'll be a link to this product that helps benefit the channel. Give this video a thumbs up and have yourself a fantastic day.